In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create notification rules in Monday.com. Creating notification rules in Monday.com is a simple way to stay updated on the things that matter most, like task changes, assignments, deadlines, and general activity across your boards. Setting these preferences correctly can help you avoid missing important updates while also reducing unnecessary alerts. To begin, log into your Monday.com homepage. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for your profile area, usually located in the corner of the screen. Click on your profile to open the account menu, then select My Profile. This will take you to your personal account settings, where you can manage different preferences related to your Monday.com experience. From your profile page, go to the Notifications section. This is where you can review and adjust your notification rules. Inside this area, you'll see that Monday.com typically offers two main types of system notifications: notifications inside Monday.com and email notifications. Notifications inside Monday.com appear directly within the platform. These are useful if you spend a lot of time working in Monday.com throughout the day, because you can quickly see updates without leaving your workspace. Email notifications, on the other hand, are sent to your inbox. These are especially helpful if you want to stay informed even when you're away from the platform or not actively logged in. From here, you can modify your notification rules by selecting or clearing the checkboxes that match your preferences. These options usually relate to activities such as mentions, updates, assignment changes, due dates, and other important actions. As you choose which alerts you want to receive, keep in mind that your settings are saved automatically, so there's no need to click a separate save button. A good tip here is to enable only the notifications that are truly useful for your workflow, so your alerts stay meaningful rather than overwhelming. You may also choose to enable desktop notifications. This feature allows Monday.com to send pop-up alerts directly to your computer, which can be very useful if you want real-time updates while working in other tabs or applications. If your browser asks for permission, make sure to allow notifications so this feature works properly. Finally, under the Muted Boards section, you'll see any boards that you've muted for yourself. This area is helpful if you're not receiving alerts from a certain board and want to confirm whether it has been muted. It gives you a quick way to review boards you've chosen to silence. And that's how you create notification rules in Monday.com. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.